Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by drawing two non-parallel chords across the circle. Pick chords that are not nearly parallel so their bisectors will cross. Once done, label the endpoints A, B, and C, D, and use a straight edge to ensure straight chords. You want chords long enough to reduce error, because short chords amplify placement mistakes. Make sure the pencil lines are crisp and visible. This minimizes parallax when you construct perpendicular bisectors in the next step. Now you find each chord's midpoint. Use a compass to draw equal arcs from the endpoints or measure with a ruler for precision. Once you have midpoints, construct perpendicular lines through those midpoints. Use a right angle or compass method so each bisector crosses the chord at 90 degrees. Extend both bisectors across the entire circle. Once both are complete, their crossing point becomes obvious. This intersection is the unique center, because perpendicular bisectors of chords always meet at the circle's center. You mark the bisector's intersection as the center and verify it by measuring a few radii. Distances from center to circle edge should match. If measurements differ, don't panic. Re-examine the chord midpoints and ensure the bisectors are truly perpendicular. Small angle errors shift the intersection. Once corrected, try longer, well-separated chords or repeat with new chords to average out mistakes. This single method reliably finds the center when you control midpoint accuracy and right angles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.